So the actions which are done immediately, so it can be calculated in seconds. What is that? The actions which are done immediately, it can be calculated by seconds. Okay. So the next one, a minute. What is that? Have you heard this? Minute. Yeah, you have 10 minutes time. So we used to say, 10 seconds, 10 minutes. So you have 10 minutes break. So how long will you take your breakfast? It will take 10 to 15 minutes to complete the breakfast, isn't it? So likewise. So a minute when compared to the seconds, the action which is done immediately, that is called seconds. A minute which will take little bit longer when compared to the seconds. So a minute is longer. What can you do? You can sing a song, tell a joke, brush your hair, eat 5 cookies, drink a glass of chocolate milk, or just jump 60 times. So once you can jump, if you have to jump 60 times, I have to skip 60 times. So it will take a time. I cannot do it immediately. So I cannot make 60 counting at the same time. So it will take a little bit longer. So here, seconds, minutes. So what does mean by seconds? The actions which are done immediately, that can be calculated by second. If you take a minute, it will take little bit longer when compared to seconds. The actions which takes place in longer time. So what are the actions? Sing a song, tell a joke, brush your hair, eat 5 cookies, draw a glass of chocolate milk, or just jump 60 times. So how long you are watching your classes? So you are watching your classes for 30 minutes. How much minutes? For 30 minutes. It takes a little bit long time, isn't it? So if you are doing some activity, it will take some time. Am I right? So that is what minute. So minute is nothing but, it is a new word to use, isn't it? Seconds, minute, you have to make down in your word wall. Coming to the next one, an hour. What is that? An hour. Okay? 1 hour. So how long will you take time? So I will take 1 hour to complete my classes as well as the homework part, ma'am. So how long will you be in your school? I will be 8 hours in our school. So at what time your school starts? By 9 o'clock. All depends upon the clock. Am I right? It depends upon the clock. So all these terms which are related to the clock and actions which we are doing in our regular and in the routine life. Okay? Okay. An hour is even longer when compared to seconds, minutes. It will take even longer time. Okay. What can you do? You can ride your bike, read a book. You can play football. How long you are playing? I am playing more than half an hour, mom. Shall I play a little bit sometime? You used to say sometime. So some elder brothers, they used to say, little bit for 2 hours, let me go outside and I'll come back. Have you heard from your elders and even from your parents? At what time your father is moving to the job and what time he is coming and how long he is in the office. You can calculate with the help of seconds, minutes and hour. Okay. So you can, for a swim or build a sand castle. How long will you take for the sand castle? So it will take a little bit time to make it beautiful, isn't it? So likewise, so we have learnt new 3 terms in today's session. What are the 3 terms? Second, minute or hour. Whatever the duration, use the time to have rules of fun. So all they are taking part under the duration. Duration is how long will it take? The duration between them. So how long it is going to take? The action, how long will it takes place? So what are the 3 words you have to make it in your word ball? Second, minute, hour, duration. These are the 4 words you have to make it out. Okay? Next. So what we have learnt? Seconds, minutes, hours. The other one is all depends upon the duration, how the actions takes place, isn't it? So seconds, the action which are done immediately. So keep it in your mind, what is second? So the actions which are done immediately. Minutes, how can you calculate the minutes? The actions which take place in longer time. The actions which take place in a longer time can be calculated by minutes. And what about the hours? The actions which even take longer time. Now you have to travel from Trichy to Bangalore. How long it will take? It will take a long time, isn't it? Now you have to move from your home to your friend home. Now just compare these two actions. Which will take less time? So moving to your friend home will take a less time. And when we are traveling from Trichy to Bangalore, it will take more than a hour, isn't it? So that is what the between gaps. So between time, they are known as the duration. Can you see? I hope you all know about the clock, isn't it? Now tell me, how many hands are there? Hands. So we have hands. How many hands are there? We have 2 hands. Likewise, the clock also consists of 3 hands. The actions are done by it, isn't it? How the actions are done by the human beings? So we used to done by our eyes, nose, all the organs which we have. So mostly we used to do with our hands, isn't it? So likewise, the clock has 3 hands. How many hands are there? Can you calculate? Just count it. 1, 2, 3. So how many hands? 3 hands are there. Okay. Now can you see a hand which is rotating? Can you see? So that hand which refers to seconds. So see the actions done by it. Okay. See the action done by it, that hand. It's moving immediately, isn't it? So it is moving as soon as to the next line, isn't it? So that refers to seconds. So this rotating hand, so it is always, you can watch the clock also. So it will always rotate. So while coming to the next class, I will bring you the clock and I will show to you. Okay. So it is always rotating. So that is known as rotating hand. And it refers to the seconds because the action is moving immediately. So to the next line. Coming to the minutes, the longer hand. Can you see here? Yes. So that refers to the minutes hand. So when the second hand completes 1 round, which completes the 1 round from 12 to 12, it has to come a round. Okay, you'll run in the ground. You have to complete 1 lap. So where you have started, you have to complete there. Where you started running, you have to complete there. So we used to say, so likewise, from 12 to 12, the rotating hand of the seconds, which completes the 1 action, that time, the minute hand will move to the next line. It will take little bit longer time. We used to say, it will take little bit longer time. The small hand, which refers to the hours. So totally how many hands are there? 3 hands are there for the clock. And what are the 3 terms we have learned in the today's session? Seconds, minutes, hours. What are they? Seconds, minutes, hours. So the actions done by these 3 hands itself, you can relate to these and you can find out the actions. Okay? Are you all clear? Shall I move on to the next one? Okay, coming to the 11.3 activity which is in your studio book. How long do you think the following action take? Fill in the blanks with seconds, minutes and hours. So seconds, the actions which are done immediately. Minutes, while compared to the seconds, it will take a little bit time. When compared to the seconds and minutes, the hours take place longer time. So calculate the actions and you can mention that. Now blink once. Do the action and see. Blink once. How long it will take? Very good. It takes only the seconds. Peel an apple. Now you have to peel an apple. Take minutes. It will take little bit time. The action takes little bit time. So it comes under the minutes. I am not going to give the answer. Do the actions by yourself. But you cannot peel an apple. But you can see how long your mother is peeling an apple or some vegetables. While peeling, you can see to that. Okay, you can get help from your parents for these activities. The next one, write an exam. How long will you write the exam? You have to read the question, you have to answer to it, you have to write it. It will take a long time, isn't it? Next one, eat a sandwich. In minutes you will complete, isn't it? Not by the seconds, but you can complete within the minutes. If you like the sandwich, too yummy, isn't it? So you will complete the sandwich within the minutes. Jump 5 times. Jump and see. Jump. See whether it comes under the seconds, minutes or hours. The next one. Breathe in. You are doing the action immediately. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. So the actions are done immediately. So you can classify the seconds, minutes and hours with the help of the actions. Okay, Amma, I have 2 days holidays. But you have 2 days holidays. You have completed, isn't it? Saturday and Sunday. So again we started with the Monday session. We have started with the classes, regular classes. So Amma, I have 2 days holidays. Yes, Rishi, it is called a weekend. Week, you know what is meant by week? And end. End means it's over. End. So split the word and even you can find the meaning by yourself. Week, end. So week has completed. Do you remember we learned about the days of week? So already in the previous classes, in the term 1, I have taught about you. So how many days are there? How many months? How many weeks? All we have discussed in the term 1, isn't it? So yes, it is called a weekend. Do you remember we learned about the days of a week? What are they? So what is the day today? So it is a Monday. Followed by the Monday, what is it tomorrow? Tuesday. So how many days are there in a week? 7 days are there in a week. So what are the days? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So how many days? 7 days. So these 7 days are 1 week. So they are known as the days of week. This is known as a week. Saturday and Sunday together are usually known as the weekend. What is that? This is known as a week. What they are known as the week? What they are known as the week? So days of the week. So if you don't know the spelling, just see to that. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So how many days are there in a week? So we have 7 days. So it will be in a repeated. Again the days will be repeated after the Sunday. After the Sunday, what does the day comes? It comes again Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So they are known as a patterns. So it is repeated, isn't it? You can see even a pattern here. Repeating. The days are repeated. What are the days are repeated? Again we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So followed by that, so it is also a pattern. Am I right? Okay, I have completed today's session successfully. Meet you in the next class. Bye-bye.